Craft newcomer, those that have come to this path have universally described the experience as considered one of coming home. Several phrases of warning are to ensure that the newcomers, though. As a newcomer to the craft, you'll find yourself basking within the heat of your new home and the love of your fellow pagans. You've discovered a great, supportive, and loving group. However, there are some things the newcomer ought to pay attention to. For one factor, as a newcomer to the craft, you'll feel fantastic and full of love for the entire universe. The universe would not essentially really feel the same manner about you. In many instances, the universe sees somebody who has set foot on the pagan path and says, "You've declared yourself able to be taught and develop. This is your first lesson." And your first lesson is delivered right into your face. The primary lessons typically need to do with love and belief. Excellent love and excellent belief doesn't imply complete love and belief. It means that diploma of affection and belief suitable to the individual and the situation. Simply, since you've to change into a pagan, don't allow anybody to inform you you've given up your right to ensure somebody's trustworthy before placing anything significant in his hands. Individuals locally will play on the theme of good love and excellent belief to govern others to their will. There are dangerous apples within the pagan community. As a result, we're human beings. These dangerous apples are only a few in quantity. However, they'll trigger hurt far out of proportion to their number. Mary Part.